This is Parker, and I'm back for the second part of the Java course on EHUE OLS using Node.js. This video will cover variables in Java. The first command you will learn to use is a variable. In short, variables label and store data in memory. There are only a few things you can do with variables. 1. Create a variable with a descriptive name. 2. Store or update information stored in a variable. Or 3. Reference or get information stored in a variable. It is important to distinguish that variables are not values. They contain values and represent them with a name. The values are represented by the content and the name is represented with the label. In this lesson we will learn how to use the var and let keywords to create variables. For example, if you wanted to list your favorite food, you would type var, which stands for variable, space, favorite food with the front lowercase, and then capital food, and space, equal sign, space, apostrophe, then you write pizza, apostrophe, semicolon, you hit enter, and it says undefined, but that's what you want. So you have to type console.log from our last lesson, and you do not have to use apostrophes. Then you have to type a semicolon at the end when you're using variables. And then it will print your variable. Variables are like boxes. You put your favorite food into the box labeled favorite food. Here's another way of writing variables. The let keyword signals that the variable can be reassigned a different value. Take a look at the example. Instead of var, you can use let instead. So you let space meal equals grilled cheese and then apostrophe and semicolon. You hit enter, it says undefined, that's what you want, then console.log, then apostrophe, meal, parenthesis, semicolon, slash, space, slash, output, colon, then we'll print it. Another concept that you should be aware of when using let and even var is we can declare a variable without assigning the variable its value. In such case, the variable will be automatically initialized with the value of undefined. So like this. Let space price, then semicolon, then enter, console.log, and parenthesis, and price, apostrophe, semicolon, space, dash, out, put, then colon, space, and then undefined. Enter. So you get a double undefined, which is what you want. And then type price, space, equals 350, semicolon, enter, and then console.log, parenthesis, price, parenthesis, semicolon, space, dash, output, but make sure you capitalize it, space, colon, space, 350. Then you hit enter, and it prints your variable.